Okay, so you're going to open the Faceshield cutout file number 1. You're going to send that to the vinyl cutter. And then the rest of your settings, or at least the settings that we use, we adjusted the force setting to 22, adjusted the speed setting to 4, and make sure that it's set to do 2 passes. These are our settings. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be the same for whatever material you're choosing to use or whatever blade you're choosing to use. So please make sure that you do sample cuts on yours and test things before starting to run out in mass production. If the settings are set correctly, you should be able to pretty easily just peel these off of your mat. For us, it was really important that this mat was actually more sticky than you would usually need for vinyl. If it's not sticky enough and it's not pressed down well enough, it will start to pick up and catch when it's cutting. So open your Faceshield cutout number 2. You're going to send that to your vinyl cutter. Adjust the force setting to 22. Adjust the speed to 4. And adjust your passes to 2. If you don't do 2 passes, it won't cut all the way through. All right, so these are the pieces that you're left with. You are going to put the forehead piece in first. That's what's going to go up against the head. And then in the middle will be your face shield part. I'm using 2 layers because the acetate that I'm using is fairly thin. You put the grommet in with the smooth side facing towards your face for less chance of the person wearing it hurting themselves. And then put the hair shield afterwards, and that'll be facing out. You line them up as best you can, and you're only going to do one side at a time. For the grommet, you're only going to want to depress the grommet tool about halfway. You still need to give room for the plastic to be adjustable to the wearer. So this is the final product. They're not hard to put together. You would string it with whatever you're choosing to use as the hair tie. I use fleece and I use 2 separate ties. Thanks for watching.